cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Today guys, I got a special guest on the channel. Mr. Masato Kakamu is in Tokyo, Japan right now guys, and I have him on the line. We're gonna talk about his project TimeCoin. I've already done a review on TimeCoin guys. This was a couple months ago and it was a very successful video. Everyone was interested in the platform and we have some really big announcements today guys. Masato, how are you doing today?
I'm pretty good, thanks.
So the first question that I have for you, if you could please introduce your project, TimeCoin Protocol.
Let me introduce myself first. My name is Masato Kakamu. I founded a company called Global Way back in 2004, and then my company went public in Tokyo. We are listed on Tokyo Stock Exchange. We are an internet company, and then we started blockchain project, and we spun out the company called TimeTicket and started TimeCoin Protocol. TimeTicket is a sharing economy service. It's Skillshare type of sharing economy service. We have about 400,000 users right now, and then our revenue is going to hit the $5 million US this year. And then it's pretty good, the business, it's constantly growing. And then we thought sharing economy, its giants dominate the market, and then we need to create decentralized sharing economy platform. So we decided to set up subsidiary of TimeTicket Inc. in Japan. We set up a company in Switzerland. It's called TimeTicket Genhard to start this project, TimeCoin Protocol. So it's a decentralized sharing economy protocol.
Gotta say, that's a great explanation of the project, Masato, and it seems like you guys have been hitting some really good milestones already, and the project is progressing in a nice advancement. The next question that I have for you here, Masato, what are the advantages of your project, and who are the competitors for TimeCoin Protocol?
We are gig economy and sharing economy, esports, and NFT, and the DeFi is in our space. We launched a dApp, it's called Esports Stars, and TimeTicket also is our dApp as well. In sharing economy wise, its origin protocol is a partial competitor. We have successfully run TimeTicket business in Japan. We have 400,000 users already, and then business is growing, and then we can share that user base, and then we can use that application to international version. And also we have already launched Esports Stars, which is the app for esports. The players, fans, and creators can match the games, exchange the game goods, and so on. So we can say that most of the projects, they do ICO, IEO, and then raise money, but they cannot run the business for a long run. But we have established a pretty good business already, and then we are confident that we can do better.
Absolutely. And again, that ties in with the growth of TimeCoin, guys. All of these updates that Masato are giving us are crucial to the project, and definitely things that we need to consider when looking at this project as an investment. Masato, the next question that I have for you, this is the third question. Can you please explain to us a little more about your first decentralized app, the Esports Stars? How exactly are you guys bringing innovation to the related industries through this?
Esports market, it's pretty much run by esports gaming company. We feel that it's game fans should get more benefit, and also the esports players and creators. But pretty much the gaming company kind of rules, and regulates all the things. So we decided to create the dApp for esports players, fans, and creators can easily make money by playing with or against each other, and also exchange gaming goods as well. So this is like there is no esports the platform, the leader exists in the market space yet. So we hope we are going to be the one number one player in this area. We already have 10,000 users as we did the test marketing in Japan, and we already have 100,000 YouTube registration by the broadcasting of tournaments in India and Japan and South America. And so I think we are confident that we can grow very fast.
Absolutely, absolutely. I totally agree with you on that, Masato. Next question that I have for you here is, what is the reasoning for launching a token sale at this time, even though the project went for an IEO in Bit4x last year?
Our project is funded. Our project is funded by our equity investors. We got about $4 million in equity funding to run time ticket business. Then, so we got enough money to support our project. Then that's why, for test marketing purpose and promotion, we went for IEO last year. And then IEO was very successful. Our market cap, our tokens market cap went up like $2.3 billion, and it's called TimeCoin. Then it was pretty successful, but it was just testing and for promotion purpose. So we decided to buy back most of the token available in Bit4x to sustain the price. Then now, because to accelerate Esports Stars development and then TimeCoin Protocol development and promotion, we decided to launch a special TimeCoin sale, which is more than 90% discounts.
Next question that I have for you, Masato, is please tell us about the goal that you're planning to achieve this year.
We have basic functionality of Esports Stars and TimeCoin Protocol. So this year, we're going to enhance Esports Stars functionalities. We already set up the people, whoever wants to organize the tournaments and participate in the tournaments, they can play esports games, and in multi-languages, like 5 languages already, and then we have major games already adapted. And this year we are going to add 1,000 games, and then also more than 30 languages the participant can choose. We try to automate as a tournament how to organize the tournaments and how to track the people's achievement in esports games. Also, we are trying to build one-to-one, the goods and the service. People can trade each other, and also they can play or against games as well. So they can get paid. The service provider who teach the game get paid, or the people who can sell the game goods created by creators, they can sell the goods as well. And also we are trying to enhance TimeCoin Protocol side as well, but we're not going to open the TimeCoin Protocol for third-party providers yet, because we need to acquire more users in Esports Stars first.
This one here, Masato, after doing a little bit of research on your project, we found that your esports decentralized app innovation is really great. You said that you plan to eventually replace YouTube and Twitch to build your own video streaming platform to broadcast esports related to that content. That's going to require you to reach out to a larger global audience. Considering the fact that there are numerous strong and viable esport communities which are not blockchain orientated, Are there provisions for these communities to be integrated with your protocol?
So basically, the creators who post videos on YouTube or Twitch, how much YouTube and Twitch charge? Like a lot of percentage they charge super chat or ads, which the creators can they can absolutely get more, but because of the YouTube and Twitter, so YouTube and Twitch is so strong, they cannot move out of the platform. So in esports, as we create esports platform, we like people to participate, broadcast videos related to the esports. They can colorcast or like play games with pros and with fans, and they can broadcast these kind of videos and instead of YouTube and Twitch, so that a lot of people who participate in tournaments, exchange goods and services, and also broadcasting videos and watch them, then in that way our token will circulate in the wide range, so that we can give back a lot of portion, high percentage to the creators who create the videos or post the videos on our platform.
As a video creator myself, Masato, that sounds very enticing, and I like the sound of it. I think that it's going to be a great success if you guys are able to pull that off, and what it sounds like is that you guys are definitely on the road to that. My next question for you is, decentralized finance nowadays, Masato, is one of the hottest and most sought after topics in the blockchain space right now. Can TimeCoin share your opinion on decentralized finance with us? Do you think that decentralized finance will disrupt the current financial system? What is TimeCoin's approach to the decentralized finance sector?
Okay, so I think DeFi will eventually replace the centralized financial system, I believe. And then our approach is not the pure the financial the DeFi. I would say not the purely investor can hold the token and they get the merit. We need to tie the DeFi function to our users. So whoever participate TimeCoin Protocol, or like for example the dApp or Esports Stars, people, for example, people who play a game on our platform, Esports Stars, or people who organize the tournaments or colorcast, broadcast videos, exchange goods, and they can get extra token as well. And also we are trying to do this like a staking, so people who hold the token and then they can get the extra token as well.
I see. Okay, that's really good. Thank you for that answer, Masato. Now, the last question that I have for you today, it's not something that you have to answer. I'm just going to ask you to send over your project news and articles, Masato, so I can provide this information in the description of this video and interview to all of our viewers, so that everyone can see and do their own kind of research on your project, their own due diligence, to make sure that they're comfortable with it and understanding everything around it. Is that something you think you can do for us?
Yes, definitely we can do. Yes, definitely we can do that.
Thank you so much, Masato. We really appreciate that. That's all the questions that I have for you today. Was there anything else that you wanted to mention to our audience?
So TimeCoin Protocol and Esports Stars and Time Ticket, we will do our best to expand in globally and then try to replace the centralized system. So please participate our platform and invest to our coin, TimeCoin. Please invest in TimeCoin.
That's great, Masato. Thank you so much for being on the channel today. We really appreciate your time. We feel that your project is a very strong one and there's a good amount of success that can be yielded from it. We're looking forward to all the further developments that are going to be released and everything around that. And once again, we'd like to thank you for making the time to be on our channel. And we welcome you back at any time you wish. So thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.